Hi, my name is Antonio. I'm going to be going over a few of the features of the BenchRack 6300. That is 21 feet. Some of the benefits that I like about this rack is the removable ramps, ease of use, so I can walk up to the bottom of the frame and be able to anchor a car, whether it be with truck anchoring or would be the unibody clamps. It has 9,200 pounds of lifting capacity, 360 degree pulling. The pulling towers are 10 tons. And the number one thing that I love about this is that I can remove a ramp to be able to get to the bottom of a car, to measure, and to access measuring points and fixturing points depending on the type of vehicle that I am working on. These can be above ground with ramps or in ground without the ramps. BenchRack comes in 4,200, 5,000, 5,500, and 63. That is a 14-foot, a 16-foot, an 18-foot, and a 21-foot, depending on what you need for your shop.